What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I have a screen protector. It's a tempered glass screen protector from a great company called Spigen. Now, I'll leave a link down in the description where you guys can pick this up, and it is called the glas.tr Easy Fit, okay? And this is a 2-pack screen protector, very easy to install. I'm gonna show you how to install it on your iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's a mouthful. Now, like I said, you can pick this up from Amazon. It's $15.99. You get a 2-pack, so it's a pretty good deal. Now, with the new iPhone 14 Pro Max, you want to make sure you have some good protection on your screen, so that you can protect your device. You can be putting it in a case in this beautiful deep purple color. Now, first thing we're going to do is take some of the accessories out of the package. And while I do that, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, also hit that notification bell so when you know when videos like this are coming. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this iPhone 14 Pro Max there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put it here. Now the first thing that you want to do is turn off your device. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it off, power it off. Okay. And they do give you some accessories inside here. They give you the tempered glass, and remember, this is a 2-pack, so you can put one of them to the side. Now you get this little kit in here. So what you want to do is take your lens screen cleaning wipe here, because that's going to be a little wet. Got a little bit of a moist, so that you can wipe down your Pro Max. That'll get all the dirt off, all the lint, anything that you have on there, so that you can have a perfect install. And then you're gonna wipe it down with your microfiber cloth, like so. And then you're gonna take your dust remover stickers, just to get all the dust off of everywhere on the device. 100%. All right, what you want to do is you want to make sure this is the top, and then flip it over and find that back piece there. You're just going to pull this off here, just the back portion part, and be careful you don't pull the whole thing off, just the part that pulls off the back. See how that comes off like that? Take that off there. And you're gonna put this on the top. Boom, like that. And then you're gonna press up and down. And you're gonna wait 30 seconds for that to kind of stick to your iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, after that kind of settles for 30 seconds, you're gonna remove from here on this side. I'll pull this off here. Like that. And then the next thing you're gonna do is pull it off here. Like that. You might have some bubbles there, don't worry about that, that'll come out. I just move them to the side there. Then you're gonna pull your glass off, or your protector there. Take that off. Then you're gonna take your squeegee and make sure all your bubbles are out. And then you're gonna have a perfect install. Look at that. Huh? Perfect install. All right, so I got it turned on, and let's see, Face ID works. Boom. Touchscreen works perfect. We're going to go ahead and slap it into this case. This is a case from Ringke, just a clear case, smoked, and you're good to go. It works with the case, perfect. Go ahead and turn that off there. That's it. You can't even tell you have a screen protector on. That thing is installed perfectly. But, you know, if you guys want to pick it up, it's $15.99 from the good old Amazon website. So that's going to do it, man. I appreciate you guys watching the install of the Spigen GlasTR Easy Fit case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's going to do it, man. I'm going to get out of here. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, you get two in the pack. So if one breaks, you get an extra.